Tonight we are going to be talking about how to add your e-commerce store to your website or sales funnel. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Matt and Mac Show. My name is Matthew Miles. Tonight we are going to be talking about how you don't have to go get Shopify. You don't have to buy some other software. All you need is Builderall, and within that you get the e-commerce app and you hook it up to your pre-existing website. Let's jump on into it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go into your Builderall dashboard. Once you are in your Builderall dashboard, go over to your Pixel Perfect, drag and drop responsive builder, whatever, and go to your websites. You go on over and click edit. And so I've already done that. It pops up a new tab for you. And then in that tab, you will have your website set up. This is our brand new The Matt and Mac Show team funnel that I'm working on creating. And then the next thing that you need to do is click on this little guy right over here. It is in beta, but it's brand new. It's working. With that said, these guys are working their butts off to get this available to you for one package price, all under the same roof. I think they're killing it. If you have any issues, just go ahead and send support a ticket, and they will help you out right away. Once you click the beta shopping cart little store icon on the left, it's going to pop up with a button right here that says Add Store. Click that, and then it'll have another little thing over here. There's only one option so far. Click that one and hit Add. It's going to chew on it for a few moments. It might take a minute or two. Give it a few minutes to load. Once it loads, you're going to have these two buttons right here. And these are your new, this is your store element, obviously. And then what you need to do is come on over here to add page, and right here is your home page. This is where the button for all of your different pages in your website here. So like if I go ahead and add all of the links to all these, or if I have home, contact us, blah, 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 this is how you get to all the different pages. So right here is where you add a page. Come on over to your home page display. Obviously it has your home page, and then it has my contact page in here, and now it has all these new pages that they've added in for the store. Okay, so yeah, once again, your store is not going to be right on the home page of your website. What we suggest that you do is just add a button. There's lots of places. There's places to add buttons. We'll have other videos showing you how to do little tips and tricks like that. Add a button, and when you do, it will redirect people over to this page right here, which is the home page for your e-commerce store. And let's just give it a second to load here. Okay, so here we are. Here's your store layout. The first thing that you want to do, or that you can do, is just right-click anywhere on this and go to Showcase Settings. All right, that opens up this bad boy. Right here, we can configure kind of the basic overview of what your store looks like. You can add categories, columns, and rows are. So these are columns up and down, rows go left or right. And then also you can add however many you want, 5 columns, however many rows. Also has product alignment. You can do them all left, centered, to the right, aspect ratio, the size of the pictures right here, and then image scale. You can cut and adjust images. All this stuff is more advanced, but obviously more things to play with. Okay, one other thing real quick here is this is not the only layout that you can have for your products. If you go back over to your little shopping cart here and go to Store Elements, you could add, say, a product. Let's see, so you can add a product slider into your store, and of course you could get rid of that one. You could have that one and then add a sliding element as well down here, and this will scroll left and right and allow you to display your products that you are offering for purchase to people online. So yeah, keep that in mind. Not just one layout, not just one look. There's lots of fun tools for you to change up your store, make it custom, make it however you want to see it. All right. Okay, once you have your product page set up and laid out how you want, and then you have a customer coming to that page, obviously they're going to come in and select one of these products to purchase. And when they do that, it's going to redirect them over to the product page right here. And this is where you can add pictures of the product. You can display your product. You can go in and add all of the product info right here. Here's the number of products that they're buying. And then, of course, this button right here is add to cart. If one potential client comes in and clicks that button, again, it's going to redirect them to the next page, which is your cart page. All right, once somebody lands on this page right here, it's going to list the product, your description of the product that you've gone in and put in, how many, and the cash amounts. Going to give the total right there. There's an option right here for the person purchasing the product to add a little note to you. And then when they click purchase, it takes them right on over. Let's see which ones. Takes them right on over to the checkout page. Okay, right here we have the checkout page, and this is where the person purchasing stuff from you fills in just all of their basic information and then clicks continue, which will take them over to the thank you page. But this is key right here because when people put in their name and email address and everything, you can now store that information directly into your mailing boss, which is another tool. It's your email autoresponder, also in Builderall. And as soon as you have that person stored into your mailing boss database, you can then already have that pre-typed up and written, 30 days worth of continuing advertisements. You can send them new product updates. You can send them notices on deals. And so this is getting somebody's email address is a key step that you don't want to miss. This is extremely powerful. It's great that Builderall added this little page in for you because it allows you to continue to retarget anybody that's come through your store. So don't miss that key little component there. That's important. All right, again, once they click on the continue button, that will take them right on over to the thank you page. Pretty straightforward. Order number, the total of the amount that they choose to spend in your store for that day, and in that, of course, it will be the amount in pounds or US dollars or whatever else is out there that people are using to spend money online. And then right here we have shipping information, which you will have to go in and configure. And to do that, we want to come right back on over here, go to the main page for your store. So right back here to your showcase page, and then come on over to this brand new button right up here. This is a brand new button in Builderall. You want to come and click on that button. Once this opens up, this is the dashboard for your e-store, and you can configure products, categories, customers, orders, payment methods, shipping. Right here is affiliates, and as you can see, that's coming soon, which is really exciting because what that means is that you can then have other people advertising your products for you online. So basically paying to do the advertising for you, and then you pay them a small commission on the sale of the item. So this is super exciting and awesome. And then of course we have settings. We're going to come right back up here to products. On the product page, obviously you can configure the name of the product, the price, etc. But then you want to come right on over here to edit. And on this page, you can configure all of the different pictures for your product. You can do the basic information, price. We're going to get to weight, sale. You can put it on sale or not. You can have a discount, promotional price, turn that on or off. Inventory and shipping. All right, and scroll on down here a little further, and for product options, the example right here for this one is a watch. So you gold, silver, black, leather, plastic, iron, sizes, and you can go in and configure all of these things. You could cancel these out and then you go in and add options. So if you're selling shoes or dresses or something different, you go in and add different colors. You go in and add different sizes. This is where you would come to do that. Once you're done, you can click Save down at the bottom, and then come right back on over to categories. All right, this is where you create new categories. For an example, say you are selling men's suits, you could have sports jackets, vests, trousers or pants, and then accessories. And again, where you would see those show up in your stores, here's all your different categories with the products listed next to them. So that is how you go in. Just make a new category, name it, configure that. Next is your customers list. This is super basic. It would display their name and their email if they had gone through and completed a purchase through your store. Again, remember that email is important. That bad boy will let you retarget and continue to make money off of all of your customers through retargeting through email marketing. Next, we come on over here to the order page. On the order page, you've got the status of your order, whether it's still waiting to be shipped, etc. The ID number for the order, client name, the value of their order, the total order. So if they just bought one thing, it would just be the one price, but say they bought 5 things, this would total that up. To my understanding, this would be the total of all those, and then again, their email. Come on over. Next, we've got payment methods. All right, payment methods. This part I was particularly excited about because they have Stripe. Stripe is what everybody uses. Facebook uses Stripe. All of the other e-commerce platforms use Stripe. They also have PayPal, Authorized, Braintree, PagoSeguro, and these are just the payment. To my understanding, these are just the ones that are available at this point in time. There will be more payment options coming in the future, but for anybody setting up their online store, PayPal and Stripe are the heavy hitters, and then all of these other ones have cool little programs. You can go and check those out. And then to make this live in your store, all you got to do then is click the little slider button, and that activates that for your store. All right, next we have shipping. All right, here on your shipping page is where you can get a little more in-depth look at some of your shipping options. Obviously, you can add a totally new category right here, or you can go in here and edit one of the pre-existing ones. Click on the little pencil to edit. And this is where it gets kind of interesting because you can go in here and say you lived in California and you just wanted to create a shipping price for all of the surrounding cities. So you lived in the San Francisco Bay Area and wanted to do a base rate for all of the cities within a 30-mile radius of you. You could come in here and, if you're going to edit this one, you would cancel all these out and then put, for the regions in, you could put in all the names of those towns, and then add all of those in, and then go in and create the rate, what the weight range is on that, and then what the price is for that. You can obviously do the delivery time, and so this is pretty cool. I thought this was a really fun little feature to start to get excited about because you can create a flat rate for international shipping, or between states, or by the miles, or whatever, however you want to do it. You can go in here and edit all of those things. You can create multiple different categories. So pretty cool, pretty powerful. Of course, once you create a category, once you do whatever, then you just click save, and you have your whole new shipping rate with the price, how far that price is good to go, what the weight limit is, etc. Okay, again, you would click save. Coming back over here, we talked about affiliates. That's coming very soon. Super excited about that. Last option we have on our side dashboard menu is settings. And this is where you would come in, and of course you can add the logo for your store, put in fill in all the information, the name, description, terms and conditions. These are all important to have. I am not a lawyer. I'm not allowed to give you legal advice of any kind, but if you are selling stuff online, make sure that you're doing it correctly. We do encourage you to abide by the correct laws, processes, and procedures. Again, more information about your store, where you're at. You can give contact information, how they can get a hold of you, and your regional settings, weight format. Again, once you have all that in there, you would click save. And that is it for the basic overview. Again, thanks for joining us. This is the Matt and Mac Show. My name is Matty Miles. If you have not done so, please hit the like and subscribe button below. Click on the little bell, turn on notifications so you can get notified when we post future awesome value-packed content. If you do not have Builderall yet and you are into digital marketing, or you have an e-commerce store, or you're into email marketing, if you're doing anything as far as business goes online today, this is the one platform that has everything in it. They just did their official United States launch, July 2018. Right now it's July 31st. So a lot of these new little apps, like the e-commerce apps, are fairly new, and these guys, I think they're doing a great job with all this stuff. I personally love having everything in one spot, so I'm not always having to go out and then add my Shopify store to my WordPress site, over to my funnel, and then connect my GetResponse to my funnel, and blah, 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 blah. It is so cool to have it all in one space where you can just hit one button, click, the store is live on your website or funnel, and you come in here, configure everything, it's set up and ready to go. Really, these guys are crushing it, making it so that anybody can get on here, start learning this stuff, using the Builderall product to create online business opportunities. I think it's super cool. If anybody's interested in Builderall, or learning more about it, or learning about how to promote Builderall and make money by selling the software platform to other people, Builderall has an affiliate program. The Matt and Mac Show is all about teaching people how to utilize that affiliate program to start making money online through affiliate marketing, so that you can then continue to build your online empire. Say you get into affiliate marketing and start to make some money. The next thing you know, you want to make custom jean jackets or something. And then you can connect, you can create your online store, start to sell those too. Stay tuned to the Matt and Mac Show for all sorts of more fun training, tutorials, general overviews. I spend a lot of time learning this stuff, and as I go through it and learn it, I love to teach other people how to use it too. And Mac also loves to do it too. So be looking for Mac's first video coming out soon after this. That's it for us today. Mwah! Much love, everybody. I will see you in the next video, or I'll see you somewhere around online. Have a great night.